Hey there, welcome back to 24 Tech, and today we have the Razer Phone 2. We're gonna talk about that. The significant thing which you'll see about the Razer Phone 2 is the glass back. Yes, from the soft touch back, it's now glass back. Here is a spec sheet. It got 8 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of expandable storage, 4000 milliamps of battery, and of course the wireless charging. It also got the fast charge though. Well, there's a new feature which we call as a glowing logo. It can turn from blue to green, red to violet to any color you want. You can set the color as per your requirement to the various functions. Well, you have the whole color palette available for you to choose whichever you want for your calls or Facebook or Twitter. It's now IP67 water resistant, which is really good thing. But the main thing about the water resistant phone is that they do not sound great. Well, the Razer phone is not one of them. It has got that blazing 120Hz display which is a little bit brighter than the previous one. However, not so like the 60Hz display OLED, but it's really good. The camera, it has dual camera, one wide angle and one telephoto, and with the Sony sensor it works really good. The camera UI is kind of Google, and the Google UI is pretty good, so that works fine with it. It also has the optical image stabilization in one lens, that's of course the wide lens. Let's talk about the outer appearance a little bit more. So we have the same USB Type-C on the bottom with no headphone jack as previous version, and a fingerprint sensor with the power button inbuilt. That's okay. And the next bit Robin style, the round volume buttons, which are good. As this phone is a gaming phone, you can run any game in the highest setting possible and it will work really smooth. It has this dope accessory with it, which is the charging dock. As it's wirelessly charged, you can show off your style with this one. Alright guys, this was Sam from 24 Tech. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.